Learning styles. Uncovered. Tailoring study techniques to your child, insights into visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning styles, and how to adapt study methods. Introduction. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Mind Map Academy and this session on learning styles. Uncovered. Tailoring study techniques to your child. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of learning styles, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, and discuss how you, as parents, educators, and students, can use this knowledge to enhance academic success and personal growth. Understanding and implementing learning styles isn't just about improving grades, it's about creating a lifelong love for learning. Let's begin this journey of discovery together. Part 1. Understanding learning styles. Learning styles refer to the different ways individuals absorb, process, and retain information. While every learner is unique, most people lean toward one of three primary learning styles: visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Visual learners. They learn best through pictures, diagrams, charts, and written text. These learners are great at visualizing concepts and often prefer studying with flashcards, infographics, and mind maps. Signs your child might be a visual learner include their love for drawing, using highlighters, or organizing notes in a colorful and structured way. Auditory learners. They excel by listening to lectures, discussions, and audio materials. These learners benefit from group discussions, podcasts, and even reading aloud. If your child enjoys music, storytelling, or has a knack for remembering things they hear, they may be an auditory learner. Kinesthetic learners. These learners thrive on hands-on activities and movement. They learn best through experiments, physical demonstrations, and interactive learning tools. If your child can't sit still and prefers building, crafting, or role-playing, they likely belong to this category. Part 2. Identifying your child's learning style, 4 minutes. Now that we understand the three types, let's focus on identifying your child's learning style. Here are some tips. Observe their habits. Does your child sketch while studying? They might be visual learners. Do they hum or talk to themselves while learning? That's a clue for auditory learners. Are they constantly on the move? Kinesthetic learning might be their style. Ask questions. What's their favorite way to learn something new? Watching videos, listening to instructions, or trying it out themselves? Experiment with methods. Try different study techniques and note which ones resonate best. Encourage feedback. Children often know which methods make them feel most engaged. Use assessments. Tools like learning style quizzes can provide structured insights. Part 3. Tailoring study techniques. Let's talk about how to adapt study techniques for each learning style. Here are practical strategies. For visual learners, use diagrams, charts, and graphs to explain concepts. Create colorful notes using markers and highlighters. Incorporate videos and visual aids like flashcards or slide presentations. Arrange study materials in an organized manner to reduce distractions. For auditory learners, encourage reading aloud or listening to audiobooks. Record lectures or explanations for playback. Use rhymes, songs, or mnemonics to help with memorization. Participate in group discussions or debates. For kinesthetic learners, incorporate physical activities like building models, using manipulatives, or role-playing. Allow frequent breaks during study sessions to release energy. Use hands-on experiments, DIY projects, or interactive games. Engage in field trips or real-world learning experiences. Part 4. Benefits of adapting study techniques. Tailoring study techniques to a child's learning style provides numerous benefits. Improved retention. When students learn in their preferred style, they grasp and retain information more effectively. Boosted confidence. Knowing they have tools that work builds self-assurance and reduces frustration. Enhanced motivation. Personalized learning is engaging, encouraging students to embrace new challenges. Stronger relationships. Parents and educators who adapt their methods foster a more supportive learning environment. Part 5. Blending learning styles. While focusing on a dominant learning style is essential, integrating multiple styles can create a more holistic learning experience. For example, Combine visuals and auditory cues, such as pairing diagrams with verbal explanations. Include hands-on activities alongside discussions to engage kinesthetic learners. Encourage flexibility, as adapting to different styles prepares students for varied situations. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, understanding and adapting to your child's learning style is a game changer. It's not about labeling them, but empowering them with the tools to succeed. As parents, educators, and students, let's commit to fostering a supportive and adaptable learning environment. Here's your action plan. Identify your child's dominant learning style. Implement tailored study techniques. Blend styles for a comprehensive approach. Remember, every child has the potential to shine when given the right tools. Thank you for joining me today.